Installation complete. On the LR2 2009 hood latch sensor and latch. It wasn't easy. With this car, you probably be easier to or harder and take longer to take off. You got to take off that whole front bumper. Thanks, and I hope this helps. All right, so we're doing this hood latch thing on this LR2. And it's a doozy. He probably doesn't tell you that this on this LR2 09, you got to replace the whole or take off just about the entire bumper in some cases, but you can pry. You can pry this some of this bumper here. You know, if I'm getting it right, you can pry this after you take off all the screws. You can pry your wrench in there and take off those two screws. And then what you have is, see these two screws right here? And it looks like this is a 10 millimeter socket I'm using. But you just got these two screws right here to come out of there. Once you get them out, you can go back and pull out the hood latch. See, I got it sitting right there. I'm gonna pull it out, but there's some line in there as well. You gotta unplug the actual line. Let me do that, then I'll come right back. All right, we have progress. So I use one of these long extended screwdrivers to actually compress the lever on here. It's a little snappy, so just compress it, and then you can pull the actual hood latch out of there. So this is the old hood latch. They say this is the old hood latch. So I have the new hood latch ordered here. It almost looks the same. Almost looks the same. Just about the same. Switch it over here. Looks the same almost. That's the old Land Rover hood latch that came on the car. This is a new one. So the old one has this is new food, so it has that new type of latch in here. And this one has that old. I'm still gonna have to dislodge this, move it over to here to the new one. But it's supposed to be new and improved, so it works better. But side by side, that's what they look like there. You're looking at them side by side, so you can see the difference. There's a little latch thing inside there, whereas this one has a hook that pulls. So let's work some magic and get it hooked up here. Back. All right, so off the old one, we just popped everything back in there. So these lines right here, we pop that line back in there. We're gonna plug that electrical line that's running back in there again. Then we're gonna see that line back in there. You can see that line down there. See if I can get a little closer. See, there's a line right there. See, that has a clamp on the top of it. So that clamp is going to go back inside there, right in there. And then hopefully everything works perfectly after that.